Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Mobile Legends and tapping your profile avatar. This gets you straight to account controls. Once done, go to Settings, then Account and Security. This is where Bind options live. Make sure you have the new phone number, email, or third-party account credentials ready because you'll need to verify them. You do this now to prevent lost progress. Binding secures your heroes and skins. Next, choose which type of account you want to bind and prepare to authorize it. You now pick the provider you want to bind, Google, Facebook, Apple, or a phone/email option, and tap it. After selecting, log into that provider and grant Mobile Legends permission. This links the accounts. When prompted, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email, or input your provider password. This step proves ownership. Take your time here because failed verification breaks the chain. Once the app confirms authorization, you're nearly finished, and your progress is associated with the new credential. You finish by confirming the bind inside Mobile Legends and reading any confirmation prompts. This finalizes the link. Once confirmed, log out and immediately test logging back in with the new bound account to ensure everything restored. Your heroes, skins, and rank should appear. If something goes wrong, try clearing the app cache and updating to the latest version. If verification codes fail, wait a few minutes and request a new code. If issues persist, contact game support for account recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.